Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best outdoor speakers of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best outdoor speakers of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience powerful, reliable sound wherever you work or play with the ANCOON Bluetooth wireless speaker, engineered for tough environments and big performance. Delivering 80 W peak output, this speaker fills large spaces with clear, dynamic audio and deep, punchy bass, perfect for workshops, job sites, garages, and outdoor activities. With advanced Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream music seamlessly from your phone, tablet, or laptop up to a long distance while maintaining a stable connection. Its rugged, durable build features an IPX6 waterproof rating, protecting it from heavy splashes, dust, and rough handling. Ideal for construction sites or outdoor use in unpredictable weather, this large job site speaker combines strength, sound quality, and endurance, making it the perfect audio companion for work, travel, camping, and everyday use. Number 2. Experience powerful room-filling sound wherever you go with the Bose SoundLink Max Bluetooth speaker, a premium portable speaker built for music lovers who don't want to compromise on performance. Engineered with Bose's signature audio technology, it delivers rich bass, crisp highs, and balanced clarity, making it perfect for parties, outdoor adventures, or everyday listening. Designed for durability, the SoundLink Max features a rugged IP67 waterproof and dust-proof build that can withstand splashes, rain, sand, and accidental drops. Its convenient rope handle makes carrying effortless, whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or moving around the house. With up to 20 hours of playtime, this speaker keeps the music going long after the night ends. The versatile USB-C port allows fast charging, while the built-in 3.5mm AUX input gives you more ways to connect your favorite devices. Pair it seamlessly with your phone or tablet via Bluetooth for stable, high-quality wireless playback. Stylish, tough, and exceptionally clear, the Bose SoundLink Max is the ultimate companion for immersive sound anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Experience powerful sound wherever you go with the IPX7 waterproof Bluetooth speaker, engineered to deliver exceptional audio performance in any environment. With an impressive 40 W output, 60 W peak, this portable wireless speaker combines dual drivers and a built-in subwoofer to produce stereo loud sound with rich, deep bass that fills any space, indoors or outdoors. Thanks to its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can confidently take it to pool, beach, shower, or on rainy day adventures without worry. The rugged, durable exterior ensures long-lasting protection, while the compact design makes it easy to carry in your backpack or travel bag. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the speaker provides ultra-stable connectivity, faster pairing, and seamless streaming from up to 100 feet away. The powerful built-in battery offers an incredible 32 hours of continuous playtime, keeping your music going throughout the day and night. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a camping trip, or just relaxing at home, this speaker delivers an immersive audio experience with extraordinary clarity and punchy bass. Elevate your sound and enjoy music the way it's meant to be heard, anytime, anywhere. Number 4. The Soundcore Boom 2 by Anker is a powerhouse outdoor speaker built for bold, all-day sound wherever your adventures take you. Delivering up to 80 W of dynamic audio, it features a dedicated subwoofer and advanced BassUp 2.0 technology that intensifies low frequencies in real time, giving your music deep, thumping bass without distortion. Designed for outdoor fun, the Boom 2 offers an impressive 24 hours of playtime, ensuring your soundtrack lasts from sunrise to sunset. Its IPX7 waterproof rating and floatable design make it perfect for pool parties, beach trips, and unpredictable weather. With customizable RGB lights, you can create a vibrant atmosphere that syncs to your music, adding energy to any gathering. The speaker also includes Bluetooth 5.0 for smooth, stable wireless pairing and a USB-C port for fast and convenient charging. Using the Soundcore app, you can fine-tune your audio with custom EQ settings to match your preferred sound profile. Whether you're camping, traveling, or hosting a party, the Soundcore Boom 2 brings powerful sound, rugged durability, and modern style together in one ultimate outdoor speaker. Number 5. Experience powerful, room-filling sound with the ZEALOT Portable Bluetooth speaker. Engineered to deliver an impressive 160 WRMS of pure audio performance. Whether you're hosting an outdoor party, enjoying a beach day, or relaxing at home, this wireless speaker provides deep bass, crisp highs, and immersive stereo that elevates any moment. Built with a massive 36,000 mAh battery, the ZEALOT speaker keeps the music going for long hours without interruption. Its Bluetooth connectivity ensures a stable, seamless wireless experience, while multiple input options, **USB, TF card, and AUX***, make it easy to play your music your way. Designed for adventure, this speaker features IPX6 waterproof protection, so it can handle splashes, rain, and rugged outdoor use. The 360-degree sound design ensures your music is heard clearly from every angle, and the customizable EQ modes let you fine-tune audio to match your style, from booming bass to balanced clarity. Durable, versatile, and packed with high-end features, the ZEALOT Portable Bluetooth speaker is the perfect companion for parties, workouts, travel, and everyday entertainment. Bring big sound anywhere and enjoy music the way it was meant to be heard.